Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. In today's video, I'll be doing a volcano nail using double dip powders and Modelones dip powders. I'll also be using Madame Glam and Nail Addict gel polishes. This nail was inspired by a YouTuber named ILYSM Nails, which stands for I Love You So Much Nails. So I start by applying my ProDip Prep to dehydrate my nail. You can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. I'm using my Mani Boss Peel Base for easier removal, but you can skip this step and I wait for it to dry fully. Next, I applied 2 layers of clear dip powder to build the nail. I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and protect my natural nail from the color. It's also an optional step. Then I start applying the dip powders. I did 2 layers of each and I only applied it down the center of the nail. I made sure to avoid the sides as much as possible. So I started with the orange dip powder. Then the pink dip powder, then the green dip powder. I actually did 3 layers of the green dip powder. Then I apply the base coat to the nail because I'm going to be applying some gel polishes now, but I don't think I needed it thinking about it now. But it's better to be safe than sorry anyway, so yeah. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Also, I should have applied activator before applying the gel polishes, but I forgot. Now I'm applying the purple gel polish and I only flash cured the nail for 10 seconds. I did 2 layers of each. So I applied the blue and flash cured for 10 seconds. Then the pink, and then the black gel polish. Then I cured for 60 seconds. Now I went back to using the dip powders, so I applied the dip powder base coat and poured the black dip powder. I did a lot of layers. Then I applied Activator and waited for the nail to harden. Now it's time for the fun. So I'm using this cone-shaped drill bit and I just make very deep indentations in the nail to reveal the colors, and this was so messy but I like it. So that area had no color underneath. Next, I applied base coat and cured for 30 seconds. Then I'm using my nail Addict glitter gel polish to make the nail a little fancy. Glitter makes everything nice. Now from here you can encapsulate with clear dip powder and the powder base liquid, but that would take like 1,000 years and it wouldn't come out that great. There would be hella bubbles and it would look super cloudy and just a hot mess. So I'm using IBD Builder Gel. I applied the first layer and then I flash cured for 10 seconds, and then I did a second layer and a third layer. On the third layer I cured the nail for 30 seconds. So I built the nail with the Builder Gel and it was so clear and nice. Then I filed the nail. While filing, the nail started to lift, so I had to be very careful. so the peel base seems to work. Anyway, this is after filing. Now I applied my top coat and cured for 30 seconds. When the nail cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil. So let me know what you think about my Volcano nail. I think it's really cool, and let me know if you would do this design. It took me about an hour to do if you wanted to know, but I'm very slow when I file, and I'm also slow in general. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!